See here, today topic. Okay, let me discuss the last class. We have seen inside the last class in the pen test, we have covered up WSDN, WADN, correct?
Yes.
WSDN, WADN. Okay, we have done XML,
Yes.
XML schema. We have done types of assessments, correct or not?
Yes.
We have done inside that we have done goal-based pen test, goal
Goal-based
based.
assessment.
We have done compliance,
Objective-based.
objective, pre-merger,
Supply chain.
supply chain, correct. Supply chain, and last one what?
Red team.
The red team, and we have inside that blue team. The red team, and we have seen what? Blue team. Fine. Next things we have
Yes.
done inside the last class. Let me come. Today we will see the threat actor. Threat actor. Why we need the threat actor? See here. What is the work of the threat actor? Threat actors we need for threat actors will provide you what? The information here. If we'll be go with the threat actors, it is giving you all threat actors are not equal. Okay, understood? Next, it is telling you some are structured, some are unstructured. Understood?
Okay.
Some threat actors, word itself, threat actors means it will be affect your system. Understood or not?
Mm-hmm.
Next is what? Some are more skilled than others. Some are skilled than others. This is the work of the inside that. This is the activity of the threat actors. Threat actors, you can say, first threat actors we are going to see inside that. First is mine is advanced persistent threat, APT. APT.
I didn't finish that another page. Okay.
See here, you can find. First, we are talking about APT. APT is my advanced persistent threat.
That is inside threat actors.
Yeah, inside that threat actor. The first advanced persistent thread right here. Groups with APT. From talking about the APT is a groups. It is a group have the capability. Groups have the capability to intend to hack a, to intend to hack the particular network. What network? Particular network or system. Okay. Next point is to do here. APT. I'm talking about advanced persistent threat. Its a group is the target organization here. Target organization for business or political motivate for business. Should memorize these all points. Okay. Business or political motives. Political motives and usually funded by the nation states and usually funded by the nation. Okay. Third point is right here. Conduct high covert hacks. Conduct high covert hack over long periods of time. This is my APT part. Okay, we are talking about what? Traits, actor. Understood?
Okay.
Yeah, this is my APT. So inside APT, what it's telling you? It is telling you it's the groups. This is the groups. What it will do? Network or system. These are the 3 points in the first statement. Second statement is here. Target organization for whom? Business or political motives. Conduct with the hack over a long period of time. It will take time. Understood the target. Clear? This is my APT. Next is my activist. I'm coming on the activist part. I'm explaining you one to one. Okay, are you getting my point? Everything, whatever is coming, understood. So when you're planning to write the examinations, these are the terms that are coming inside it. Okay, and you have to clear this all. Okay. Next point it is here. Next is my activist. If I'm talking about activist is telling you conduct the activities, conduct the activities against governments government, corporations, or individuals, or individuals. Next you write can be individual, activist can be only one single host maybe, or only one guy, can be single or member of group, member of a group. Clear? Third point it is telling you, if I'm coming the, this is the first we have seen what? APT. This is second one activist. Next is what? Next is my next is here insider thread. Insider thread. Insider thread. If I'm coming on the insider thread, it will explain you already have authorized talking the word you will find here, that is I'm using the insider, that means what? Already have authorized user access to the network. Insider, that means it is inside the organization. Authorized user, it's a user, okay, user access to the network, access to the network, making them extremely dangerous, making them dangerous. Dangerous. Maybe skilled or unskilled attackers. Maybe skilled or unskilled skilled attackers. Might be former or current employee. Might be who will create this attacks, might be former or current employee who will create this attack. Understood? I told you insider means inside the organization sitting is working, they will create the kinds of attack. Clear?
Okay.
Right? Insider threats. Clear?
No.
After completing this all pen test, I will send you my docs. Okay? Understood?
Which one?
I will send you my documents.
Okay.
If you go for examination, I will share with you my documents to you. It will help you.
Okay.
This is my insider thread. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
Next, I am coming on the point. Write in a point, okay, for the understanding. Next is what? We have script kiddies. We have here the script kiddies. What is the work of script kiddies right here? Low skilled attackers. If I'm talking about this one, they are low skilled attackers who use others tool. Okay, use freely available, use freely available vulnerability assessment and freely available vulnerability assessment and hacking tools and hacking tools. Understood or not? So here, whatever the freely available tools inside the script is script kit is, that attacker they will use. That's why it is called low skilled attackers. They are not use the paid your assessment tools and all. Okay, that's why it's known as our script kit is clear.
Okay.
Understood. This is our script kit is. Right. Next, I'm coming here. I'm coming on the intent. What is intent? Question is here. Next is mine. What is intent? Intent is telling you this is your intent is your greed or monetary gain, greed or monetary gain. Okay, power, revenge, or blackmail. Why they will use this one? Who is the intent? Okay, like XYZ is the intent. Okay, so what it will do? Why they will use? For showing the power, for revenge, or you can say blackmail, for blackmailing. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
Try to understand if we are using the normal words, virus scheme, attacks is there. Some kinds of attacker, like we will say it's a kinds of you can say ethical hackers or something, right? We are using the basic words, but here
Mm-hmm.
when you come inside the trades and all, when you talk about the trade actors, it is going to specify the kinds of attack according to their attacks. They have the different name is there. Understood? They have different you can say categories is there. Like I told you, if I'll be if you have go for good capabilities and all, and funding from your organization or funding from the national this one, or like you have from political motives and all, it is inside that. So we'll talk about this is known as our APT, that is our advanced persistent threat. If I am coming on the script, it is inside that it is low skilled attackers. If I'll be find that what kinds of tools really uses tools they are using, that means it is known as our script kit. So this is the word, different words are there. You understood my point? So you have
Okay.
to be suited to know about the words and this all activities inside that. Clear my point?
Mm-hmm.
The basics what we are using. If some kinds of attack is coming, we are talking it's a like someone hackers, right? No, we are talking about the hackers. No, it's hacking is going to categorize in terms of our actors, threat actors. Clear my points or not? Again, we are
Mm-hmm.
coming on the intent part. Intent. What is the intent? If I'm talking about, if you go for the interviews, or like if you're planning for writing the paper, if you will be asked you what is the intent is there. So for the intent purpose, you have to give the best solution. You have to give the best examples and how the intent is working. So for the intent, it is telling you it is the like it's like some kinds of employee or some employee is there who is working inside the company or the outside of the company, like who will be intent, who is directly targeting to the organization. Understood or not? How it will be directly targeting? Either they have using of the like some problems with me and you, so with the help of with the motivation for that, like I'll be motivated to like take a revenge from you. I will motivate blackmail you, and I have the power, like no, I'm the political this one that helps to me. So with the help of this all, understood? Political motives is there inside that. Like some politicians are there, they are helping me, or national activists are helping me. So they are telling me to revenge you. So or show them the power. You understood or not? Sometimes you heard like our countries hacking some different countries, their militaries and all, right? No, that's organization or their countries also. Sometimes they can put a kinds of you can say intent. It is known as the intent word. Understood or not? Intent to our countries and all. So it is political motivations or like no power, showing them the power. Like USA and Russia, they are showing their intent. Correct or not? Getting my point. So the word, always remember here, whatever the word we are using, up to like CSS, CSS, everywhere. Like word are very important here, and every words are very standards. Clear my point. This intent also we can say hack. Script kit is also we can say hack. Correct or not? Threat actors also we can say hack. It's the hacking. In the normal words, everything will be put inside the hacking, but it is not like that. The word are very important here, so you have to be the very much practical, very much like you have to be know about this all words, and you have to use particular words. Clear? So
Okay.
like intent, I'm telling you, these reputations of recognition. Why it's need either for skills, 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 the reputations, the reputations, or recognition. These are the words inside that. Political, I told you, political motivation. Clear my point or not? Hello, these are the things inside your intent part.